Muscle tissue is classified into one of three categories according to structure, function, and location. Skeletal muscle is the most common and characteristic type, and the other two types are cardiac muscle and smooth muscle. Skeletal muscles contain elongated, cylindrical shaped muscle fibers that have multiple peripherally located subsarcolemmal nuclei and a sarcoplasm filled with contractile filaments. Varying amounts of mitochondria are present depending on the skeletal muscle fiber type. Slow fibers in skeletal muscle are smaller in diameter and they contain more mitochondria than fast fiber. Capillaries and nerves course between muscle fibers in a structure called the perimysium. This is a schematic and electromicrograph of skeletal muscle, this time in transverse view first. Highlighted in number 1 is a capillary. In number 2 is a mitochondria. 3 here is the nucleus of a skeletal muscle fiber. And number 4, the highlighted space over here, the space between the skeletal muscle fiber cells, is called the perimysium. And perimysium is predominantly composed of collagen. 5 is a nerve fascicle. And 6, as shown here both in the schema and in the electromicrograph, is a skeletal muscle fiber, which again, the different skeletal muscle fibers are separated by the space, number 4 here, called the perimysium.